In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an e-invoice using Zoho Books. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. Whether you're a small business owner managing your own invoices or part of an accounting team looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First off, you'll need to head over to the Zoho Books website. You can do this by simply opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for Zoho Books. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the homepage. This will help you navigate more easily through the rest of the process. Now look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but for those who do, simply enter your login credentials to access your account. Signing in will take you to the Zoho Books home screen, which serves as the central hub for managing all your accounting needs. Once you're on the home screen, pay close attention to the navigation panel. Look for the section labelled Sales. This section is crucial because it's where you can manage all your revenue related tasks, including creating invoices. Click on Sales and you'll find yourself presented with a variety of options. Next, locate the Invoices option under the Sales section and click on it. Doing so will bring you to the Invoice dashboard where you can view, manage and create your invoices. The dashboard offers a comprehensive view of all your invoices, those that are paid, pending and overdue, giving you the ability to keep track of your finances at a glance. At this point, you're ready to create a new e-invoice. Simply look for the New button, which is usually located at the top right or left of the dashboard, depending on your display settings. Clicking on this will open a form where you can enter all the necessary information for your e-invoice. You'll need to provide details such as the customer's name, the products or services provided, and the total amount due. Remember to double check all the entered information for accuracy. Before you proceed to generate the invoice, take advantage of Zoho Books' flexible options for customization. You can add your company's logo, choose a template that matches your brand identity, and even set up automated reminders for your clients. Once you're satisfied with everything, you're ready to finalize the creation of your e-invoice. Hit save or save and send, depending on whether you'd like to send it immediately or just save it for later, and there you have it, a professionally crafted e-invoice ready to be sent to your clients. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying your invoicing tasks with Zoho Books.